I'm switching my system today up. I'm switching my amplifiers actually. I got an AP Audio Pipe 3000.1D. I'm going with an SK 4500.1D today. So I'm gonna switch up my whole system today up with two Scars CVX 15s. This is the new amp I'm putting in. This is my old audio pipe.